Hello and welcome to Skill Today. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most important tools for website owners and digital marketers, Google Analytics. If you're new to Google Analytics, don't worry, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a free web analytics service offered by Google. It provides valuable insights into how people interact with your website, including information on user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. By analyzing this data, you can optimize your website to improve user experience and achieve your business goals. Setting up Google Analytics. To get started with Google Analytics, you'll need to create an account and set up tracking on your website. The process is straightforward. Simply create a Google Analytics account, add a tracking code to your website, and you're ready to go. The Google Analytics dashboard. Once you've set up Google Analytics, you'll have access to a wealth of data on your website's performance. The Google Analytics dashboard provides an overview of key metrics, including traffic sources, user behavior, and conversion rates. Traffic sources. One of the most useful features of Google Analytics is the ability to track traffic sources. This data shows you where your website visitors are coming from, whether it's from search engines, social media, or referral links. By understanding your traffic sources, you can optimize your marketing efforts to reach your target audience. User behavior. Another key area of Google Analytics is user behavior. This data shows you how users are interacting with your website, including metrics like bounce rate, session duration, and page views. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas of your website that may need improvement and optimize your site for better user experience. Conversion rates. Finally, Google Analytics allows you to track conversion rates, that is, the percentage of visitors who take a desired action on your website, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. By monitoring conversion rates, you can identify areas where you may be losing potential customers and optimize your site to improve your conversion rate. So there you have it, a brief introduction to Google Analytics. By using this powerful tool, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and optimize your site to achieve your business goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to Skill Today for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing and website development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.